So whenever I sang this song, it didn't actually sound like the Byrds to anybody but me. I was hearing the Byrds, but everybody else was just hearing one guy with an acoustic guitar. Later I met the Byrds, and they asked me if I had any songs, and I had totally forgotten about this song. I don't think I even thought it was finished at that point. I just threw it back. And years later, I remembered the song, and I thought, because I thought I needed to fix it or make it better or something. But I listened to it when I was a lot older, and thought, I like this song. I liked whoever that was when I was 18. I like that guy. Don't fix it. I thought, no, don't fix it. So for a while I thought the Byrds might get back together and then they could do it, you know. And then I found out that there's no way they're going to get back together. Out of all the reunion tours you've seen, and half of them are the Who's final tour. That happens every other year, I think. But it's not going to happen with the Byrds because, as Chris Hillman explained to me, he said, because Roger McGuinn said he would rather join the army than be in a band with David Crosby. Well, I don't want to join the army either, but I love David Crosby, and I tried to get him to sing on this song, and he didn't want to do it. I don't know, I think, now that I think about it, like, he probably didn't want to be like in some tribute to himself, you know. But suddenly, it occurred to me though that Greg Lease can play just like Roger McGuinn, and he can play like the Byrds. We grew up absolutely thrilled and fascinated by the Byrds, and so I got him. We got together and did this. This is our tribute to the great California band, the Byrds. It's called The Byrds of St. Mark's.
Sound the song, the Queen will sing of dying, the prisoner comes on, the melancholy sighing. If she could see her living now, she would be free, and those who bow and scream farewell beneath her feet. Silently she walks on the road, dying in midnight rosy, and watches as each moment moves, that never heals her. And so it seems she doesn't care if she has dreams of the one there in the shadows of her. All I'm frozen birds agree and say it's time to call back. All the birds are set to fly behind the castle walls, and I'm weary of the nights I see inside these empty halls. But all tempting to fly behind the castle walls. And I hear the other nights I've seen inside music.